All local transactions to be conducted exclusively in ZiG by 2030, RBZ. The 2nd of September 2025, by Lovemore, Harare, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, RBZ, has announced plans to transition Zimbabwe into a monocurrency system by 2030, with the Zimbabwe gold, ZiG, set to become the sole legal tender for all local transactions. Currently, the country operates under a multi-currency regime, where ZiG circulates alongside foreign currencies. Under the new framework, businesses and individuals will still be allowed to hold foreign currency accounts, but foreign cash will need to be converted into ZiG for domestic use. In outlining the roadmap, the RBZ stressed that the process is not a redenomination exercise but a gradual, policy-backed transition aimed at restoring confidence in the national currency. The central bank highlighted several milestones, including building foreign reserves sufficient to cover 6 months of imports, reducing inflation to 30% by December 2025 and to single digits beyond 2026, as well as maintaining exchange rate stability with a parallel market premium of less than 30%. The journey, which has already started, will be supported by policy interventions that will ensure a gradual transition through widening the use of and demand for ZiG, long-term stability of ZiG, and availability of foreign currency on the market, the RBZ said in a statement. The bank further assured that legitimate foreign currency needs, such as imports, medical expenses, and international travel, will continue to be met during the transition. It described the move as an organic, market-driven approach, supported by reforms designed to pave the way towards a stable monocurrency economy.